Okay. The function f and g are defined to be real values of x by using two expressions f of x and g of x, where k is constant. Find out the range of function g of f whenever its range is greater than 39. Find the value of k. So first of all, I need to find the expression for g of f, composition of function g of f of x, that is 5 times, I need to put f into g, so 5 times 3x negative 2 whole square plus k minus 1. 5, this is a quadratic equation, so I can divide it by 3 in order to make the coefficient of x as 1. So that would becomes x by 3 minus 3x by 3 minus 2 by 3 whole square plus some constant 5k. I just multiply 5 inside minus 1. Because I'm going to divide it with 3 square, so definitely I need to multiply it with 3 square with 5. So that becomes 5 times 3 square, because inside the brackets there is a square quadratic equation, so that's why I'm going to multiply it with 3 square. So x minus 2 by third whole square plus 5k minus 1. 3 square is 9, 9 times 5 is 45. So 45 times by x minus 2 by 3 whole square plus 5k minus 1. So the points that are basically inside the functions or a composition functions are seems to be, for example, this is somehow a curve and this is my point P that is lying at, the coordinates of x is minus 2 by third and the coordinate of y is 5k minus 1. So minus 2 by third is a domain and 5k minus 1 is a range. I need to find the restriction for a range in order to find the value of k. So I can use the formula or I can use the concept that range seems to be 5k minus 1. This is your y coordinate now, and range is always on a y-axis, y coordinate value. So I can write 5k minus 1, which is equals to greater than equals to 39. I need to find k, so I can simply make it as 5k minus 1 is equals to 39. And k would be 5k is equals to 40, 1 is shifted onto the other side and k is coming as 8. So your value for the k is coming as 8 for that. Second, for this value of k, determine the range of f of g. Here author is saying you need to use that value of k to find the range of f of g, not g of f. Here you have to find f of g. So first of all, write down the expression of f and g. Your f is coming as 3x negative 2 whole square plus some k was 8, and your g is coming as 5x minus, what it was 5x minus 1, and you need to find fg. So f of g would becomes, you need to put g into f, so that would become 3 times 5x minus 1, 5x minus 1 minus of 2 whole square plus k, that is your 8 actually. So it becomes 3 times 5 is 15, 15x minus 3 minus 2 whole square plus 8. That could be written as 15x minus 5 minus 3 minus 2, that would becomes minus 5 actually. So that becomes whole square plus sum of 8. So the expression you have, it's 15x minus 5 whole square plus 8. So you can divide it by 15 in order to make the coefficient of x as 1. So 15 square actually. So 15 square will be times by and 15 square will be divide by. Minus 5 by 15 whole square plus sum of 8. Okay, it would become 15 square means 225. 225 times by this one, and this one would be cutted, x minus 1 by 3 whole square plus 8. So you can write the range of f of g. Range of f of g would be greater than 8, means greater than the value of k. So f of g range would be greater than k, because something is added into the value of k, so its range would be greater than k.